Welcome to Funny Thailand News. Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the funniest news from Thailand. In Pattaya's crowded food scene, one chef found a way to stand out by going viral. Napak Onjira Ratchatafak, known as Preece, owns the popular Kai Yok Krok restaurant. Preece's fame exploded when she posted videos of herself cooking in bold, revealing outfits, far from the usual chef's uniform. The internet took notice. Her videos spread quickly, drawing thousands of new followers and turning her restaurant into a must-visit spot. Tourists and locals alike lined up, eager to taste her food and snap selfies with the sexy chef. Preece's strategy was simple: use social media to create buzz and make her restaurant unforgettable. Her approach was unconventional, but it worked. Her business boomed. The story of Preece is a lesson in modern marketing. Sometimes, breaking the mold is the best way to get noticed. By blending great food with viral content, she turned her restaurant into a sensation. In a city full of competition, Preece proved that creativity can be the ultimate recipe for success. Her viral videos didn't just sell food, they sold an experience. Not everyone loved Preece's viral fame. Critics questioned her hygiene, pointing out the lack of aprons and hairnets in her videos. Some argued she was setting a bad example for food safety and professionalism. Supporters, however, saw her as a savvy entrepreneur using creative marketing to survive in a tough market. They insisted the videos were just entertainment, not a reflection of her real kitchen standards. The debate grew: should tradition always win, or is there room for bold new tactics? Preece's story sparked a national conversation about where to draw the line between innovation and responsibility. Her viral success came with both fans and fierce critics. As controversy swirled, Preece spoke out to clarify the truth. In a TV interview, she explained that her sexy outfits were only for promotional videos, not for actual food prep. She assured the public that strict hygiene rules are always followed in her kitchen, with staff in proper uniforms and hair coverings. The viral food was just for show. Real customers get food prepared under safe, clean conditions. Preece's openness calmed many critics and reassured her customers. She proved you can have a playful online persona and still run a professional, safe restaurant. Her honesty helped separate the viral image from the real business behind the scenes. Preece's story is part of a bigger trend: Thai business owners using sex appeal and personality to go viral. From durian sellers to snack vendors, many are turning to bold online marketing to stand out. Social media rewards content that's daring and shareable, making viral videos a powerful tool for small businesses. But this approach raises questions. Is it smart marketing, or does it risk a business's reputation? For some, it's a clever way to thrive in a crowded market. For others, it blurs the line between entertainment and responsibility. Preece's transparency set her apart, but not everyone manages the balance so well. Her case forces us to ask, where should we draw the line in modern food marketing? As the industry evolves, the debate continues. One thing is clear: attention is the new currency, and the rules are still being written. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe the channel for more funny news from Thailand.